What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another deep dive into the workflows that actually make content creation fun again. Today, we are looking at something that honestly feels a bit like cheating when you consider how long editing used to take. If you are tired of spending hours scrubbing through long interviews or podcasts just to find the good bits, this is exactly what you need to see. We have all been there, sitting with a 12-minute tutorial, hunting for mistakes, and trimming out endless filler words until we lose our minds. But what if you could skip the manual grind and have your long-form video turned into ready-to-post clips almost instantly? That is where Vizard comes into the picture, and it is honestly a massive game changer for anyone tired of the traditional, tedious process. It is not just some gimmicky plugin, it is a full-scale workflow that respects your time and helps you get content out the door. Imagine being able to remove an awkward pause or a stumble just by deleting text in a transcript instead of fighting the timeline. Or picture searching your entire video for a specific keyword or tip and having the AI jump you straight to that exact moment. While other tools are great for basic cutting, Vizard goes a step further by actually identifying those high-engagement, viral potential moments for you. It even handles the heavy lifting of prepping these clips so you do not have to babysit your content calendar anymore. Now, do not get me wrong, I still love tools like Premiere Pro for those heavy-duty, frame-perfect edits you need for main features. But when the goal is to turn a single long video into a massive stack of social-ready clips, that traditional approach is total overkill. Vizard sits perfectly in that sweet spot where speed meets purpose-built tools for the modern creator. When you upload your raw footage, the AI analyzes everything, finding punchlines, story arcs, and those little nuggets of gold you forgot you even said. It then automatically serves up a batch of potential clips that are ready to go, ranging from 15 seconds to full-minute highlights. The search and snip function is honestly my favorite feature because it saves you from scrubbing the timeline for eternity. If you want to find every time you said a specific word or phrase, you just type it in and it pulls them up instantly. Cleaning up your audio is just as fast since you can simply delete a stuttering word in the transcript and watch the video snap together. You are not wrestling with ripple deletes or manual dragging anymore because the text edits handle the video cuts for you. Of course, there is a tiny learning curve, and you will want to get comfortable with trusting the AI's suggestions while you review them. Once you build that trust, you are looking at turning hours of painful work into just a few minutes of quick polish. I once helped a client find a 5-second line about organization that was buried in a 20-minute tutorial, and it took me less than 2 minutes. That level of speed is exactly how you turn a single, lonely video into a week's worth of consistent, high-performing content. Beyond just cutting, the tool is tuned to surface those viral moments that keep people scrolling and engaged. It takes the guesswork out of which bits will perform best and packages them into snackable, bite-sized pieces for your audience. Then there is the scheduling feature, which is the missing piece for a lot of creators who are tired of manual uploads. You can set your posting frequency, queue up your clips, and let the software handle the delivery so you can focus on making more stuff. Whether you want to post once a day or 5 times a week, you just set it, forget it, and watch your content calendar fill up. This entire pipeline of discovery, cutting, and scheduling is all housed under one roof, which is huge compared to using 5 different apps. Now, let's talk about the quality concerns, because I know you care about how your content looks and sounds. The AI is brilliant at finding the moments, but you absolutely should still put your eyes on them to ensure the tone is right. I spend about 2 minutes per clip just tweaking the start and end points and adding my own flair, and that human touch makes all the difference. And yes, captions are built right in, because we know that these days, captions are not optional. They are mandatory for social viewing. You can easily edit those captions to make sure they are accurate and pop with the right hashtags for maximum clickability. At the end of the day, this model is built for creators who want to scale their business without burning out their wallet or their schedule. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of the flow so you can imagine doing this on your very next project. First, you upload your raw file and let the magic happen while you go grab yourself a fresh cup of coffee. Then, jump into the transcript viewer to find those exact moments you need. Or let the search bar do the heavy lifting for you. You pick the clips, do a quick polish on the captions, and drag them right into your auto-schedule calendar. It is that simple. No timeline wrestling, no frantic exports, and no juggling a dozen different apps to get one video posted. You can take a single 30-minute podcast or tutorial and turn it into a full month of short-form content in one sitting. Is it perfect? Nothing is, and nothing will ever replace your unique storytelling ability or your personal touch. But compared to spending 2 hours in a professional timeline just to cut out 5 little moments, this is a night and day difference. And if you are a creator juggling clients, filming, and life, that time you get back is the difference between surviving and scaling your business. So give it a shot on your next talking head video, your next podcast, or that long tutorial you have been sitting on. Do not expect the AI to do your creative direction, but absolutely let it do the heavy lifting when it comes to formatting your content. If you try this out, tag me. I want to see what you create, and I will feature some of my favorites in future updates. And if you have used other transcript-based editors, I would love to hear how your workflow compares to this. For many creators, this really is the missing link between recording long-form content and having a steady, stress-free stream of social posts. Alright, that is the rundown for today, so if this helped you out, drop a like and share it with your creator friends. Subscribe for more practical, AI-powered tricks that actually save time and help you scale. I have got plenty more editing secrets to share in future videos, but definitely put this one to work on your next upload. Thanks for hanging out, I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.